Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your board's description on Pinterest with the latest update. It's a quick and simple process that will help you keep your boards organized and optimized. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and go straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the Boards tab to see all your boards. Next, find and tap on the board whose description you want to change. When you're inside the board, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Edit Board. This will take you to the board settings where you can update various details. Now, tap on the description field. Here, you can delete the old description and type in your new one. Make sure your new description clearly explains what the board is about and includes relevant keywords to help Pinterest's algorithm understand your content better. Once you've entered your new description, simply tap Done to save your changes. Your board's description is now updated and ready to attract more engagement. Changing your board description regularly can improve your Pinterest SEO and help your pins reach the right audience. Remember, a clear and concise description not only tells people what to expect, but also helps Pinterest show your board to users interested in that topic. That's all there is to it. Follow these easy steps anytime you want to refresh your Pinterest board descriptions and keep your profile looking sharp. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.